Hello, my beautiful souls. Welcome sa ating tarot reading sessions. Keep in mind, general reading po ito. Maring mag-resonate, maring hindi. Kunin nyo na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maring mag-shift the energies or magkabaliktad ang sitwasyon. Kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar sa reading natin. So, let's see. So we have here the Three of Swords and the Two of Cups. So mukha may mga iniindang pain, lalo na ngayon at Valentine's Day. So we have here the Nine of Swords, the Moon, Page of Swords, Page of Pentacles, King of Swords, Six of Swords, and the Queen of Cups. So someone here is watching you, lalo na ngayon Valentine's Day. Namimiss ka nitong taong to. Nalulungkot siya kasi hindi niya magawang lapitan ka. So this person is thinking of you, sad and lonely. Maaari naka-message siya sa social media accounts mo, lalo na kung long distance situation kayo. Pero kung malapit ka lang naman sa kanya, padaan-daan siya dyan, nagpapapansin. So we have here perfume, doll, playing cards, diamond, telephone. So gusto niyang tumawag eh. Waterfalls and lighthouse. Bonfire bottom card natin. So ito yung energy ng taong to is isa sa mga naka-fling mo noon or talking stage. Yung biglang hindi na lang kayo nag-usap, ganun. Nawala na lang kayo ng communication. And now this person is looking at you. Stalking, mga ganyan. Uy, I want to surprise you. So, gusto niya bigyan ka ng surprise call or visit or kung ano mang gift na parang anonymous niya sasabihin or ayaw niya magpakilala. Letting you go walking away. You're my rest and my healer. Business is business. Can you forgive me? You're the fairest of them all. Tired and need rest. Can't let you go. So, kahit na wala na kayong communication, di pa rin siya totally maka-let go sa past. Being defensive. So, defensive pa rin siya hanggang ngayon sa mga nangyari. So, sinisikret niya na lang tong feelings niya sa'yo. I know that I crossed the line with you. I look for you everywhere. I know I was a distraction from your pain. You came closer than anyone. I wonder if you're happy without me. I know I messed up everything. I wish I could share my good news with you. So, marami pa rin siya gustong sabihin sa'yo pero hindi niya kasi alam kung paano to sasabihin, sisimulan. So, tingnan natin anong message ng Archangels. Brilliant idea by Archangel Uriel. Yes, your idea is divinely guided. Please take action to bring your idea to fruition. So, itong mga ideas po, yung mga plano mo, it's a go signal na ituloy mo. Kuha tayo ng initials. Oops. Sa mga nahulog nating cards, D, T, N, Y, K, R, F, I, bottom card, so kuha tayo ng blue cards natin. Union of Hearts. Uy. Acceptance and family. And parang may mga ano din dito, against na family member na nahihirapan tanggapin sa family na yan. So, tingnan natin. Pero may Union of Hearts tayo eh. So, malakas ang posibilidad na itong taong to gusto niya ng comeback or bumalik. Tingnan natin, general signs messages. We have twin flame, neighbor, killer smile, skin tag, responsible, divine masculine, future lover, fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sag, earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, December, crazy for you, Sagittarius, attractive, August, weird, intelligent, very lucky, number 3, 5, shy at first, athletic, talented, present lover, April, caring, air sign, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Mga plastic persons around you and Libra. So, may mga sumabotahe din sa connection yung mga tao sa paligid. So, itong taong to, gustong-gusto niyang kausapin ka. Especially, ngayong araw na to. Pero, parang wala pa siyang lakas ng loob to do that. Yung iba sa inyo tatawag. Pero, marami ang nakamasid pa lang sa ngayon. Lalo na kung twin flame mo to. So, ayan ang ating reading. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.